Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your Realme 6s, let's go for the Play Store, tap here on the search and type Opera Mini. We are going to use this application because they got partnership with the AdBlock Plus and you don't have to connect any external application. So it's really cool. Right now I'm gonna show you how it works. We have to wait a little bit and right now just open. Click continue and then tap on the allow and continue. And for example, we can enter this website. Click no thanks. And right here we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down, we cannot find here any ads. So it's really cool. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel.